Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have here the Logitech G915 keyboard. This is a super talked about keyboard and my boyfriend is super excited about it. This is actually his keyboard that he's letting me borrow for this video, and it is also a $230 keyboard. So I just wanted to see what all the hype is about. I want to see if this keyboard is actually worth the $230, and low-key, I'm hoping to not fall in love with this because I don't want to have to spend that money and get myself one. But anyways, let's just get started with the unboxing and see what it's all about. Okay, so the keyboard I have is the TKL version in white with tactile switches. So what comes inside the box is obviously the keyboard, this micro USB charging cable, a receiver, and a sticker. Alright, so now that we have this keyboard all nicely unboxed, let's talk a little bit about its features. So this is a wireless keyboard that Logitech says features their pro-grade Lightspeed wireless. So they say that it can achieve super fast 1 millisecond performance. So for me, an extremely amateur gamer, I don't even know if I can call myself a gamer, as long as there's no input lag coming from the keyboard, that's fine with me. So you can connect this keyboard using the receiver that comes in the box, or you can connect it using Bluetooth. So with that, they say you can switch from one device to another super fast. Coming from someone with two devices, I have here my Windows device and I also have a Apple device. I use one for school and one for entertainment. Alright, so right now we're gonna test out if we can really switch from Bluetooth to receiver from one device to another as quickly as they say we can. So I have over here my MacBook. I'm gonna be connecting the keyboard to my MacBook via Bluetooth because this thing doesn't have any USB ports to put in the receiver, and I'm gonna connect the receiver over here to my Windows computer. Alright, so now we have them both connected. Let me just turn on the screen recording for both of my computers and we'll see how quick this goes. Alright, so we have Windows over here and Pages open over here. So right now it's connected via Bluetooth because I just connected it over here. Let's start typing. Hello. Connected via Bluetooth. Over here. And now let's try to switch it over. So we're just gonna click on this wireless button over here and switch over to the window. And we are here. Connected via the receiver. Okay, so back to the MacBook. Back. Okay, it's pretty quick. One more time. Back on the Windows. Okay, so you really can switch from one device to another that quickly. It took like, let's see. It's on my Windows right now. Let's click on Bluetooth. It takes less than a second. So that's really awesome if you do have two different devices. So if you have a laptop and a computer, rest assured you can switch from back and forth from one another really quick. Very useful. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about the physical aspects. This keyboard is quite thin, as you can see. It is way thinner than any other mechanical keyboard that I've seen on the market, although I haven't done too much research. But if you saw my other video with the pink gaming keyboard, it was also a wireless keyboard. The keycaps were very tall, and I am not a big fan of that. So this keyboard also comes in a nice white color. I feel like not many keyboard comes in different color options other than black. So this white color just fits my desk setup and my aesthetic way more than a black keyboard would. Another thing is that this keyboard also has really nice RGB capabilities. If you download the software onto your computer, you'll find that you can do some really cool effects on this keyboard. As this isn't my keyboard, I didn't want to spend too much time figuring it out, but I'll show you some of the options that you have. They have some presets such as this ocean wave or the starry night, and you can also change the colors of each keys individually. And here's also a really cool ripple effect. Again, I truly believe the options are endless. So this is just a fraction of what the keyboard can do. You can go in and customize the animation however you want, and you can also set the keyboard to match the colors of your screen. I didn't really mess with any of that because this isn't my keyboard. So what I did is I just made it a stable pink color and glow purple every time I click on a key. Another feature about this keyboard is that Logitech boasts a very long battery life on it. Because I just got this keyboard, I can't really say anything about the battery life, but what I can say is that it does charge up very quickly. So with me simply just having it plugged in, messing around with the keyboard a little bit before I got ready for this video, it did charge all the way up to 70%. So even if it doesn't last as long as Logitech says, I believe that it will charge up super quick, so it would not hinder your usage of this keyboard at all. So as of right now, everything about this keyboard is really great. Personally, I just want to do one test, and I just want to see how well I can play Tetris on it. And because my last keyboard, my pink keyboard, it had a linear switches, so I would always accidentally press keys that I didn't mean to press. So I just want to see how well I can play on these tactile keys. So let me just get this set up. So feel free to skip this part of the video. It's just going to be a type test and I'm just going to have fun with the keyboard for a little bit. So let's start. I'm going to do a 40 line clear. Hopefully I can do this quick so you guys don't have to watch for that long. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh crap. Dang it. Okay, I haven't played in a long time. And my eyelashes are falling off my eyes. What am I doing? Okay, let's try that again. Oh, messed up. So I didn't do as well on Tetris as I would like to. I'm gonna blame my dry eyes for this bad take, so I'm gonna redo it later. So the clip that's gonna be inserted is gonna be my redo. Alright, here goes. I'm back. I have glasses on. No more excuses for dry eyes. Let's test out this Tetris. Okay, so 112 is not the best I've done. My best would be 106, but we're gonna leave it at that. So this keyboard's not that bad. So my overall thoughts on this keyboard after having it just for a couple of hours, I really like it. Again, I really love that it comes in white and the endless possibilities of the RGB that you can do. I also really enjoy the fact that I can switch from one device to the other with just a click of a button, and there's no lag in between them at all. So like I said, I have two devices. I have my MacBook that I use for entertainment, and I use my Surface Book over here for schoolwork. So it's so convenient that I am able to use one keyboard and not having to remove the receiver from one, plug it into the other, because this one, my Mac doesn't even have a USB receiver, so using it with Bluetooth, so convenient. And I know that I am not reviewing this keyboard to its full potential, and I probably gone nowhere near the full potential of this keyboard. So I understand all the hype around this keyboard. The only downfall for me is that this keyboard costs $230, and if you do get the keyboard with the keypad, that one would cost $250 instead. So I believe if you have the money, I truly understand why someone would go for this keyboard. And I think I'm going to tell my boyfriend that the keyboard got lost in the mail. And I'm gonna keep this one. I'm just kidding. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite part about this keyboard is. And please like and subscribe if you feel like it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!